Choose the life you want to live. Show the world what you can give, baby. Just think positive. Everything is sleeping, remains the sound of wind, as if time is frozen upon this polar night. Open your eyes, my friend. Seems we're getting close. The northern lights are flowing upon this polar night. Try not to close your eyes. See the colors emerging. That is what we're chasing through the wandering lights, wandering lights. Try not to fall apart among the field above us. That is why we're gathering. See the wandering lights, wandering lights.
Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome to another vlog in my life. What better way to start off the new year than with a clean room? Y'all know me. Oh my goodness, my room gets so messy so fast, but we are going to clean it. So we are starting off this year on the right foot. So I'm gonna be just taking down all the Christmas decorations. I'm gonna be just cleaning up my room with the little mess that I got, and then I got like some Christmas gifts that I have to put away. So you know, the whole 9 yards. We just gotta do it. So I figured I would show you guys the state that my room is in. I have like dirty clothes everywhere. This is my ring light. Try to get a little better lighting. Like my bed's not made yet, and then I have like over here, of course this box is still gonna stay, and so is this one. This one is actually a desk that I'm gonna be building in one of my 2022 projects. So anyways, so that's gonna be staying, but like all this needs to come off. This goes on my bed. This is actually not going to be in my room anymore, like this chair, but there was no room for it upstairs yet, so we have to still keep that in here. But anyways, it just started collecting junk. I have right here, which are just a whole bunch of get rid of clothes that I need to go through. And then my desk, absolutely a mess. Y'all, look at what my sister got me for Christmas. She got me a little Loki action figure. Loki's like my very favorite character in the Marvel series, so it was just so cute. She was 10, so she gave me that. I love it so much. But I have like a mess right here. I need to take down my Christmas tree. I have like my entire desk right here full of just stuff. I gotta get all my Christmas decorations down. So yep, this is just the state that my room is in right now, and we are going to clean it. Okay, let's get started.
Everything is shining right here above our heads. You see the stars are shimmering upon this polar night. Yes, we're here together now. That's how we promise. You know I'm on your side till the end of time. Try not to close your eyes. See the colors emerging. That is what we're chasing through the wandering lights, wandering lights. Try not to fall apart among the field above us. That is why we're gathering. See the wandering lights, wandering lights.
Okay, so now that I got pretty much everything back in order, it's still a little mess, but now it is time to start taking down all the Christmas decorations. Okay, so I did not have a lot of Christmas decorations, but this is pretty much it. Just the majority of the stuff that I had just kind of around my room. Then of course my tree, I still have to take all this stuff off, but yeah, this is pretty much all the Christmas decoration that I had this year. Trying to be simple. Woo! I also love it because it's not a lot of cleanup, which is absolutely amazing.
Not to close your eyes, see the colors emerging. That is what we're chasing through the wandering lights, wandering lights. Trying not to fall apart among the field above us. That is why we're gathering. See the wandering lights, wandering lights. Everything is shining right here above our heads. You see the stars are shimmering upon us.
Okay, now we just gotta get these lights up, which they just go in my closet along with the rest. Can't forget this little guy.
Whew. That makes me feel so much better. It's like all the Christmas is out, which is a little sad, but it's just my room looks so much more cleaner. It's so much nicer, y'all.
Okay, I got pretty much everything back in order. Get my little tripod thing here. But I got everything just nice and clean. Oh, I'm so happy.
Okay, so now that I have pretty much everything back in order, I feel so much better. I am pretty much done, which means this video is done. Finishing up my coffee. Guys, this is so good. I'm so happy 2022, everybody. I really hope that y'all are having an amazing year so far, even though it's probably been like a few days or a week whenever I decide to post this. But I wish you guys good luck for the year 2022, and I hope that this is the amazing year. I hope that this is the best year yet. The last 2 years were rough, but that's okay. We're going to turn a new leaf, and we're going to have an even better year. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch y'all in the next video.
Right here above